Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing the first POV drive with the BMW M235i. As you can see, we've got the M-style mirror caps with the sequential LED indicators. Got the blue crash bars if you can see them. What else did we do in the last video? We've got a few stickers now, and we got the badges. Oh yeah, and we got the frap badges on the side as well. But other than that, we're completely stopped. We've got no engine mods. This thing is running 326 brake horsepower, I think. It's a 2015 BMW M235I N55. So let's just get straight into it. Actually, you know what? Before we do that, oh bloody hell, look at that. Oh, hopefully I didn't scratch anything. Right, before we do anything, here is the engine. Take a look at that beauty. I haven't really showed it properly yet, but straight six. It's great. I just wanted to show you guys the engine. Let's give it a quick rev. See what you guys think. F me. This car is amazing. Okay. Let's get into it. As you can see, I haven't got much petrol and I plan on going through it. We're gonna take it easy at the start for now because we're not warmed. Well, at least I don't think we are. Unfortunately, for some unearthly reason, this car doesn't come with temperature gauges at all. No coolant temps, no oil temps. I mean, even my Corsa had a coolant temp. Look at this weather, by the way. Can you believe it? We've actually got decent weather. Finally, it's been long enough, but we finally got some decent weather in the UK. It's been too long, but finally we got some decent weather. I'm not going to go too fast. The thing is, I don't even do it anyway, but I'm not going to send it yet. As I said, the engine's warming, and you've probably spotted it's got quite a few miles, this car. For me, from what I've seen online, and another person that I know has got an M55, it seems as long as the car's been well maintained for its other owners, we should the high mileage shouldn't be anything to do with it. Shouldn't be a problem really, other than just your normal stuff that can go wrong with a high mileage car, like a few electrical stuff. All right, so I've now had this car for almost a month. It's been, I think I'm in the 4th week now. I love it. I love it just to pieces, and oh my god, there are so many potholes. It's just hard for me to say because also I don't want to get hate. Like, if you guys have been seeing my TikToks, I've been getting quite a lot of hate, but I love doing TikTok and the positivity outweighs it. But I just want to appreciate this car. Do you reckon we're warm now? Should we give it a little bit? Okay, so let's put it in sport. Jesus Christ. I always forget, it's such a comfortable, gentlemanly ride in comfort, and then you just put it in sport and you're just like, whoa, valves opened. And I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but does the engine sounds get pushed through? Right, let's go. Let's manual mode in the gearbox. Make you feel a little bit sick, to be honest. There's another M235i. I've got a little fly in here, it's really me off. Off. I killed it! Oh, I feel a little bit bad now. My windscreen's so dirty, and look at this, yeah? Look how dirty my windscreen is. Bruv. Why did the previous owner fill this up with water? And it f***ing stinks. Listen to this, ready? Right, so I'm in 3rd. I'm gonna just let off the throttle, listen to the burbles. Couldn't really hear it. Maybe drop to 2nd, try it. You got to hear that? Oh my word. Oh, all right, mate. Get in your lane. You guys hear that? Should we do it one more time? Okay. Ready? Oh, I didn't really get them. Listen for the burbles. I heard them a little bit there. One more. Mate, don't know where you're going. Ain't got a Scooby-Doo, has he? You going in there? Or are you going to change your mind again? He's done it. Oh, no. He hasn't committed. I don't know what's going on. Okay. You're just going to go, are you? He's stalled. Right. Manual time. Whoa. This road is so bumpy. This road is too bumpy, maybe. Jesus. See, it's the problem. I just want to say as well, I don't know if you guys have this problem, but when I'm in sport mode or something, my seatbelt locks up way too easy, and it means that I can't lean forward. And full manual mode on the gearbox. Let's go! No, Jesus Christ. Oh my lord. Oh, here we go. Tunnel. Yo, you know what, guys, it's time. We're gonna try Sports Plus. I just want to feel the difference, you know. Oh my, it does feel faster. What the just drop a gear. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus. That was impressive. Oh, now I just shit myself. Oh, it's all right. Just fuel reserve. Yeah, that was sick. Right, let's go. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty special. This car is through a straight line warrior. Right, back through the tunnel. We're just going to downshift, we're not going to send it. Bro, those gear changes. It's like I've got a DSG, bro. It's like in... One last bit of fun. We'll just do a quick pull when we hit the dual carriageway. And then it's over. Remember, it was in manual that time, dub. Jeez! Yeah, that was something. Right. Okay, we got to put it in eco now. Okay, but that is going to end today's video. I did hope you did enjoy it. We tried our best to get some good sends, but then also it was just a chatting video, just to see what it's like to drive an M235i. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. If you guys want to see all the mods we did, click on the video right there. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, guys.